Hey crypto fans, welcome back here with more news on the Bitcoin. Today we're looking at a lot of updates, and I would for sure tell you that we're looking into 8 signs why Bitcoin is going to go on the higher price and the bull market is still not finished. So let's start with this one today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's go. 8 signs the Bitcoin price bull market isn't over. So Bitcoin retraced 5% over the second week in December to 42,236 on Saturday, December 16th. From 19 months high of 44,700 on December 9th, the decline in average crypto exchange spot prices for Bitcoin followed an astonishing 62% rally over the 2 months from 27,162 on October 16th to the key resistance around the 44,000 level. US banking giant JP Morgan warned that Bitcoin was overbought in mid-November after Bitcoin price surpassed the 36,000, and blockchain analytics firm CryptoQuant said the week that Bitcoin corrected after climbing too fast, but that the digital asset is still in a bull market with the bears firmly in the past. So it keeps taking an hour or more to mine a block. There are now so many miners plugged into Bitcoin network to securely process transactions that a core protocol adjusted as Bitcoin's difficulty target to an all-time high of nearly 68 T on November 26. Just 2 weeks earlier, November 7th, with Bitcoin CHA 256 difficulty set to a then record high of 62.46, something interesting happened as Bitcoin took 43 minutes to produce a new block. This happens on average once every 34 days because the difficulty setting calibrates to target 10 minutes between the blocks as an average result of probabilistic process. But then something even more interesting happened, as right after taking 43 minutes to produce block 850 the block, so the Bitcoin network took 66 minutes to produce the following one. So the network is now so thick with miners that the protocol is racing to keep up with all the hash power they're adding to secure Bitcoin and keep a new block running on time around every 10 minutes. The second one is the world's largest hedge fund wants a Bitcoin ETF. So it's a sure sign of the times that Bitcoin market are living through. The BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, was at 9.4 trillion in assets under management and wants to launch a regulated Bitcoin ETF product for its clients. Not so long, BlackRock didn't even consider the cryptocurrency legitimate, and it was a different market back in 2018 when BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said the entire wouldn't offer a cryptocurrency ETF until the industry was legitimate, and now they think it's legitimate. So the third one is 70% of Bitcoin hasn't moved in a year or longer. We already discussed it before, and we could understand that as of November to December, some 83% of all the circulating Bitcoin was held at a profit, and yet most of the digital assets has remained unmoved in a very bullish showing for the cryptocurrency. Fourth one is the CME group has more futures volume than Binance, as futures contracts are market derivatives investments that allow speculations to lock in a price for an asset at a future date. So the amount of open interest in Bitcoin futures contracts on the CME Group Chicago Mercantile Exchange, the world's leading derivatives marketplace for regulated investors, recently overtook OI on Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange. Fifth one is that Bitcoin futures just flashed a rare bullish signal. We already saw it before, and yeah, that happened. The sixth one is that whale-sized Bitcoin buys are making waves and making huge moves, as we saw a lot of whales buying a lot of Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin whale address count of wallets was 1,000 to 10,000 Bitcoin spiked in August, just a few weeks before an October bull run, as one anonymous whale who started accumulating in January sits on 100 million in unrealized profits. And by mid-November, after Bitcoin had markedly rallied on positive spot ETF, the whale transactions in the 1,000 to 1 million range made up 24% volume. Seventh is that Bitcoin price charts 4-year flag channel pattern, and we could already see it on the screenshots if you want to see. So we also got the highlights on X where you could see the bullish flag where it's going for a breakout. And also the eighth and the last one is that analysts are making extra bullish price predictions. While it's impossible to know for sure the future price of any traded asset until markets move, many analysts have been making very bullish predictions since the rally started in October, and popular Bitcoin technical analyst CryptoCon's prediction made in November is that Bitcoin price could reach 47,000 in December or January, aged well through the last 2 months of 2023. So that's all the information we got on the Bitcoin, and if you are interested in more, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.